Well, we have to prove that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So we are given two parallelograms A, B, C, D and E, F, C, D. These are the two parallelograms which are given to us. They are on the same base DC and between the same parallels AF and DC. This is what we are given. We have to prove that area of ABCD is equal to area of EFCD, right? Proof. See, AD is parallel to BC and AF is the transversal. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Similarly, this is parallel to this and this is the transversal. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Corresponding angles. Now, in this triangle and this triangle, we have this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, by angle sum property, we have this angle is equal to this angle. Right? We have shown that angle EAD is equal to angle FBC, angle AED is equal to angle BFC, and because two angles of these two triangles are equal, therefore by angle sum property we have angle ADE, this is angle ADE is equal to angle BCF. Right. Now let us take these two triangles. Triangle ADE and triangle BCF. In triangle ADE and triangle BCF, we have angle EAD is equal to angle FBC. This angle is equal to this angle. And AD is equal to BC. And this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, by ASA congruency criterion, we have triangle ADE congruent to triangle BCF. Triangle ADE congruent to triangle BCF. Right? Once two figures are congruent, their areas got to be equal. Therefore, we can write that area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle BCF. Let's add this figure both sides. When we add EBCD both sides, we have area of triangle ADE plus area of triangle EBCD is equal to area of triangle BCF plus area of triangle EBCD. When this is added to this, we get ABCD. And similarly, when this is added to this, we have EFCD. So we have proved that area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram EFCD. This is what we were given to prove. Thanks for joining.